Bawaddaji village of Anka local government area situated in the western part of Zamfara state is about 200 kilometers away from Gusau, the state capital. The village was attacked last Tuesday and Wednesday by armed bandits who stormed the village on motorcycles in large numbers and shoot in the village sporadically.
This is one of the villagers who was shot but could not be killed by the armed bandits, but was later set ablaze.
29 persons killed during the attack, whose bodies were mostly found in the bush, received mass burial at the village cemetery amidst tight security. Similarly, 2 others died later at a hospital in Gusau. Eyewitnesses who spoke to NTA News said considering the incessant attacks by the gunmen, the people of the village decided to form a vigilante group in an effort to defend themselves. They added that prior to the latest attack, the armed bandits had carted away hundreds of their animals, abducted some of the village members, and demanded for ransom.
As I turned all the animals around town and then continue fire. Even me, I ran away. I didn't know where I get myself because I'm very afraid by that time.
Emir of Anka, Alhaji Tahir Muhammad Ahmad, said relevant authorities were informed about the possible attack following information, but the attack could not be averted.
There was some particular record, so they put some security men to come, but when they came, they were overwhelmed.
In spite of the presence of security personnel, the village is currently deserted as residents are fleeing to other places for the safety of their lives. Some of them we met on our way to the village said they could no longer stay because of the fear of further attack by the armed bandits, whom they believed were still hiding around the village.
As at the time of filing this report, more dead bodies are scattered in the bush, and security personnel as well as members of this community are busy searching them and bringing them to the village for mass burial. From Bawardaji community in Anka local government area of Zamfara state, Halil Muhammad Umar, NTA News.